Time for your real estate deal or no deal. We're in East Englewood, Florida. First we tour, then you judge. Let's go. If you're open to a home renovation, interior project in a nice pool home on a good street, this is the option for you. What I would recommend is open up this wall here. Then you have a nice center island kitchen, and that would give you more natural light coming from the pool, as well as right from the front door, you can see the pool. And then you could have this open space for the living room, dining area, and your kitchen with the island. What I like about this property also is you have multiple entrances to the pool. You have 4, one from the side bathroom there, the living area over there, which could be an office or an additional bedroom, the living dining area behind me, as well as the master right here. So it's nice that you can access the pool from the master, which is pretty large, and you have 2 walk-ins here. Good sized double vanity bathroom, good sized walk-in shower, and your walk-in closets like we talked about. Here's what I was talking about to do home renovations. You would open up this wall here, then you have a nice center island kitchen, move everything around, and then you have this big open space with natural light coming in from the front and the back, and you can see the pool basically as you walk in the front door. The laundry area is here. I would move some of these outlets and electric switches because you have the electric switch behind the door here, and same thing with a few of the other rooms and closets. This is what I was referring to with making an office or an additional bedroom. You can close this off with a partition half wall or a full wall, make it an additional living space. And here's another one of your entrances to the pool. 2 more bedrooms back here with lights and electric in the closets. And a good sized bathroom here with pool access. Here's your other bedroom. You have an additional entrance on the side to the 2-car garage here as well. What do you think? Deal or no deal, thumbs up or thumbs down. And if you're looking to do a home renovation on a project like this with a beautiful pool home, it's important that we talk about it first, because a lot of people spend a lot of money on renovations and it adds 0 market value to your home. And obviously the contractor is not interested and doesn't care if your home's not worth anything after they get paid. So we need to talk about how much you should buy a home for, how much you should spend on renovations, what type of renovations, and so forth. So please reach out to me if you're looking for those tips or comment home, and let's chat more.